Welcome back to my channel for the best travel tips. Today, we will discuss the best 20 travel tips for long international flights. International flights can be overwhelming and confusing, but with a little preparation and knowledge, you can make your travel experience a smooth and enjoyable one. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know from arriving at the airport to exiting your plane. Let's get started. Book your flight from Tuesday morning to Wednesday midnight for the cheapest fares of the month. Airlines offer best fares 6 to 9 months before the travel date. Best economy class seats are aisle seats towards the tail of the plane. Arrive early to get to the airport with ample time to spare to avoid any last-minute stress. At least 3 hours is recommended for an international flight. Check in online and choose early baggage drop-off if that's an option. Pack your essentials in your carry-on and include important documents, medication, a change of clothes, a charger, and earphones. Opt for loose layered clothing and comfortable shoes for the flight. Wear socks so that you may remove the shoes in the flight as needed to keep your feet comfortable. Drink plenty of water throughout the flight to avoid dehydration. Buy a water bottle past the security point if needed. Water is usually complimentary in most of the flights. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as both can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep pattern. Caffeine can also be a diuretic and can make you use the lavatory more often. Take short walks and stretch regularly to prevent stiffness and promote circulation. Having booked an aisle seat will prevent any inconvenience to the others and will let you take your walks as frequently as needed during the flight. Use noise-cancelling headphones as they help drown out cabin noise and improve in-flight entertainment. Long international flights can be quite noisy with diverse age groups. Using noise-cancelling headphones will ensure you aren't inconvenienced by fellow passengers. Always bring some entertainment like books, movies, podcasts, or games that can help pass the time. Especially if you are traveling with young kids. They get bored easily and often struggle to stay calm during long-distance flights. Providing them with a variety of options to keep them mentally occupied will ensure a pleasant flight for everyone. Bring healthy snacks to avoid relying solely on in-flight meals, especially if your flight do not offer complimentary meal service. Snacks purchased past the airport security are allowed in the plane at all times. Set your watch to your destination's time zone to start adjusting your internal clock. Smart watches will automatically set to the destination time upon arrival, but will require a Wi-Fi connection. Use a neck pillow and blanket. These can improve comfort and help you get some rest. Amazon sells variety of neck pillows for your style. Long-distance international flights will always provide you with a complimentary blanket. Practice deep breathing to calm your nerves and relax. This is especially important during turbulence. Remember, the turbulence is extremely common and pose little to no safety concern to the plane. Use an eye mask and earplugs. They can help create a more conducive sleep environment. The pod lights above your head may be dimmed at night, but some passengers like to read at night. Your eye mask will come in handy if this happens to be the case. Avoid heavy meals and opt for lighter, easily digestible options on the plane. Pre-book your meals if the option is available. This will avoid any long wait during the meal times. Stay clean by bringing wipes or sanitizers to freshen up during the flight. As an avid international traveler, I always begin by wiping down my seat and the armrest before the flight takes off. Download offline maps to access the maps even without an internet connection upon arrival. Research to see what map app is widely used at the destinations and save an offline copy. Set a timer for your medication. Especially, non-direct flights can be exhausting and stressful. Set a timer for taking meds, and if you have a long layover, walk around to prevent stiffness. Notify your loved ones of your travel plans and stay in touch if needed by connecting to the free airport Wi-Fi. Most international airports nowadays have a complimentary Wi-Fi service. Set your expectations right. Understand that long flights can be tiring. Ask your flight attendants questions if you do not understand something. As simple as opening the door of the lavatory, because this is one of the most common struggles for the first-time travelers. Finally, sleep strategically. Try to align your sleep schedule with your destination's time zone to prevent jet lag. Sunlight is an excellent medicine for preventing jet lag, so make sure once you reach your destination, you take ample amount of sunlight. Also, remain courteous to your fellow passengers all the time while listening to your body and adapting these travel tips to your own preference and needs. Safe travels! And to find more useful videos like these, subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Travel on a Dime, right now.